Okay, it's Wednesday morning. It's the 20th of April. It's coming up to 9 o'clock. I've checked out of my hotel and I'm going to be getting the boat to Koh Samui very, very soon. My ticket, which I purchased at the hotel there, cost me just 200 baht. I think it's a big boat. The pier is just about 5 minutes, well, less than that. No more than 5 minutes walking distance away. So I can drag my suitcase. So, Koh Samui is on the menu today. So before I make my boat trip, a lovely hot coffee here. A lovely hot coffee, a frothy hot coffee. Courtesy of this lovely lady here. She makes the best hot coffee in Koh Phangan. Just 50 baht. Okay, now it says there, please show passport or ID card before it goes up here. Well, I got my passport out, but they said I didn't need it. All I need really is the ticket, which I already have, at a cost of 200 baht. Purchased it from the hotel. Well, I suspect this is going to be a lot nicer journey than the last one that I had. You know, when the sea was rough and it was pouring with rain. At least this is a lovely day. And I believe the ferry from Koh Phangan to Koh Samui is about 45 minutes. So I think I'm going to enjoy this. So I believe it's the one furthest away from the pier. That's the one that I'm getting, the sea flower. Harder into the big Buddha in Koh Samui. Koh Phangan, now bound for Koh Samui. So, looks like a nice comfortable little boat, and it's a lot more agreeable day than last time. See the two islands from each other. That's Koh Phangan, and that there is Koh Samui. It's still something I find really exciting about travelling to an island by boat. As you see that island approaching, it brings back memories of all those great adventure movies that you watched as a kid. I've never been to this island before, and I can't help wondering what awaits me when I get there. Is this the place where I'm going to find the woman of my dreams? Is this the place which I will love so much that I will consider retiring here? Or will it ultimately be disappointing? Only time will tell. Okay, once again I've arrived on an island where the weather conditions are not too good, but it's only a little drizzle. It's not pouring down with rain like when I arrived at Koh Phangan a couple of weeks back. Now to brave the taxi system, yes? I think this is a big island, and I think that I'm staying on the other side of the island from here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I've got a private taxi here and he says 300. Sounds all right to me. 300, yes. And I've even got a front seat. Okay, here we go. Whoa, here we go. Okay, I'm in a taxi now. You always have to be a bit suspicious, but there's lots of other taxi people around, so I think this guy's fairly genuine. 300 sounds okay to me. No complaints with that at all. Well, first impressions are good. Nice lighting, very, very spacious. Wow, looks comfy. Aircon, TV. Nice wood design, I like it. I like it already. It's got a kettle and coffee, yes. Wow, lovely spacious bathroom. I think I'm gonna like it here. Well, I finally got here. After more than 20 years of visiting Thailand, I finally made it to Koh Samui. This was one of the first places I ever wanted to visit in this country, and, well, finally made it here. Hotel's right near the beach. I like it already.